Replacing the needle plate. Use the straight stitch needle plate when needed. Press the lockout key. Raise the foot. Slide the extension table to the left to remove it. Push down the needle plate release lever and the needle plate will pop up. A message will appear warning that the needle plate is not secured. Remove the needle plate by lifting it to the right. When removing the needle plate, make sure the needle plate does not hit the free arm or other parts. Insert the left edge of the straight stitch needle plate into the opening. Push down on the mark of the needle plate until it is locked in place. Check to make sure that the confirmation message appears. Be sure the proper foot is attached to the machine. Press the close key. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the needle does not hit the needle plate.